How to get unbanned from Omegle. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually get unbanned from Omegle. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're aware, Omegle works in a very similar fashion that they don't require any type of account in order to actually sign into them, and so they're basically not banning your account, right? What they're banning from accessing the server is actually your IP address. So the first and the most easiest way to fix this is to simply change the IP address. Now you can change the IP address by switching the cellular data, or if you have any of the other Wi-Fi networks, right? So you can just try to switch your network and then see if that solves the problem. But if not, then you can actually try to make use of a VPN application. So just go ahead and open up the App Store, download any VPN application which is the popular ones near you. Once you download any of the VPN's application near you, you should be able to go ahead, download those applications, and then this should solve the problem. By simply connecting to a VPN, it's going to change the IP address and you'll be able to successfully video chat on Omegle again. That's all it takes to get banned on Omegle. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.